Welcome back, welcome home. It's Justin, your local Bronx real estate agent, and I'm wishing you a very happy new year. All the prosperity, peace, blessings, love, family, all the wonderful things. I want you to have all the wonderful things this year and beyond. Now, for our channel, I wanted to talk to you all real quick about some new things we're gonna be rolling out this year. But before I get into that, it's really important for me to know what you're most interested in. So please, if there's any topics you'd like me to cover, real estate stuff, Bronx, small business, anything like that, drop it down in the comments below. I love to hear from you because I want to make sure I'm delivering the content that you're looking for, not only this year, but beyond. Now, second thing, just so you know, we're going to be rolling out a couple of new things. We're going to have some more Bronx specific information, and we're going to have some, interviews going on in the future. But the first rollout we got is a home buying seminar. We're doing a Zoom Thursday, January 21st, 6 to 7:30 p.m. The meeting ID, the Zoom link down in the comments and descriptions below. I'll be there talking real estate. We're gonna have Crystal Young, a wonderful attorney we work with on multiple deals. She'll be there talking all the contractual, legal stuff. Mortgage Mo, who I've been introduced to recently, is gonna be talking about the mortgage process. So if you're interested in the entire home buying process with real estate professionals, talking about all the P's and Q's and things you need to know, come on by to that Zoom. And also, if there's something specific you want any of us to address, whether it's the real estate, the legal stuff, the mortgage stuff, something else, drop it in the comments below here too. I'll make sure that we bring it up when we're at the Zoom meeting, and I look forward to seeing you there. It's gonna be a great year. Stay tuned, and I'll talk to you starting next week. Have a good one.